Hey guys, so this video is to show you how to use sightreadingfactory.com. So after you click on the link that is in Schoology, it will take you to this website and you're going to use your S number and 4x4. So whatever you use to log into Schoology, that's what you're going to use for Sight Reading Factory. So obviously this is my number, not yours. Make sure you're using your S number and then your password, which is your 4x4. And then go ahead and click login. So once you log in, it'll take you straight to your assignments tab. There are some other things in here. There's recent, saved, assignments, and then whatever classes you're enrolled in. You do not need to mess with classes, okay? I have all of you set up in the correct class that you're supposed to be in, so do not do anything with this tab. Your main thing is the assignments. So we're gonna go into the assignments, and in assignments, it will list whatever assignments have been given to you. So for now, yours will only have one. But since I am enrolled in all my classes, because I'm the teacher, it shows a lot of them, but you're only going to have one. So you're going to go to your assignment, you're going to click launch, then it's going to take you to this microphone, to this window. You can test your microphone by clicking here. Mine says skip mic check, yours might not say that, but mine says that. So I'm just going to skip it for now, but if you wanted to or had to test your mic, you'll just click on that. Skip mic check, going on. All right, so this is the information about the rhythm you're about to do, and once you're ready to start, you click Start Assignment, and your rhythm will show up here. You have 30 seconds to look over your rhythm, so you're going to sit there and chant it. 1, 3, 4, 1. Make sure you know what you're saying. 3, whatever. So once you're ready, if there's still time left, you can click on Ready to just skip the rest of the countdown. But if you want to take the full 30 seconds, you can. But at the end of the 30 seconds, it's just going to start automatically. So I'm just going to let the clock run out here. We got 2 seconds left. Here we go. It's going to count you off. Go. 1, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, off. All right, so you can listen to your recording. It's going to count you off. Go. 1, 3, 4. 1. Okay, so that's your recording. Don't worry about the rest of this. You just want to do your recording. So once you're done, you click Submit Assignment. If you wanted to do it again, you click Try Another. If you want to just abandon it altogether, like cancel out of it, that's what abandon assignment means. It does not mean it takes away the assignment. It just means you're exiting out of it for now and you'll go back to it later. So if you wanted to try it again, you click there. But if you're completely done and you want to submit, you click Submit Assignment. Are you sure you want to upload this recording? Yes. It'll upload the recording, and then you're done, and I'll see it on my end. So that's all Sight Reading Factory is. Now, if you wanted to just play and sight read and mess with the settings on here, you are welcome to do that. It's not going to mess with the assignments. So you'll go to Start Sight Reading. So this is just if you're practicing or you're wanting to just mess around in here. You'll go to Start Sight Reading, and then it'll have all these different options. You are welcome to come in here and explore and play and practice and do whatever you need to do. If you wanted to just do rhythm, you could do rhythm only. If you wanted to actually practice sight reading, do, re, mi, then you'll go into voice family, pick whichever voice, soprano, and Sight Reading Factory levels. So there are different levels, and you notice when I hover over them on the right, the settings change. So from here up to level 2, it adds some rests. Up to level 3, it adds a note. Up to level 4, it adds more leaps. So you pick your Sight Reading Factory. Now, these are the ones that are like default Sight Reading Factory website made those settings. These ones down here, my school levels, these are the ones that I have created. They are custom made for us. So these are the levels that we are going to use in class. So you can go around and play in these levels if you would like, or if you want to really mess with it, you can go to custom and make your own levels. It's up to you. But these are the ones that I will use in class. So every now and then I'll say, okay guys, go practice rhythm level 2. And so you'll go to sight reading level 2. But we're not there yet. For now, I just want you to practice with that assignment part. So once you select it, let's do level 2. It'll take you to some options for your time signature, which again, if you want to play with this stuff, you can. your key. You can do whatever key you want, and then you can start free play or you can challenge. So this is kind of like a sort of like a game in a way. So this is if you just want to play around or if I'm telling you to practice something. But for assignments, we're going to go back to home. That's what this tab is. These are the ones that I will be grading. And you'll notice that the one that I did says completed now. So that one is submitted and done, and I will go in and grade it. So the assignments are the things that are going to be graded. If you're wanting to practice, you go over to Start Sight Reading. Okay? Have fun.